Kyra? You ready to make Daddy a Father's Day gift? Okay, let's do it. Oh, I already colored my plates. I got these plates at the dollar store, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut the center out and we're gonna glue these rocks all around it. You ready?
Oh.
Uh-oh. You gonna pick it up? Thank you. Oh yeah? So we're just gonna cut the middle out. Now that you got it like this, give me those scissors. Pick 3 just in case we mess up. Bless you. So let's get cutting. Glue gun, and I'm just gonna glue the rocks on around the whole plate. You ready?
Yay!
Okay, almost done. This is the first one. There's number 2. I'm gonna do number 3, and then we're gonna go to the next step. Okay? Okay, so now we're gonna do the centerpiece for the middle. We're gonna do her handprint. You ready to paint your hands? No. Hand. Wait. Lift your hand. Uh-oh, good job. Okay, so I just cut out a piece of paper and glued it around as like a background. And this is the finished product. My dad rocks. No pun intended. Now you can like frame this, or you can like hang it on the wall. You know, do you get creative?